be honest, because of the pandemic, I've not been as enthusiastic about shooting or even unboxing as I should be. This has been sitting for, I'll say, a few months now. Oh, okay. So yeah, I remember ordering this one. This one I purchased like I think in either January or December or even earlier, and it's the Minolta SR-7. It's a good camera. This is a really nice camera. Look at the top. Simple camera. Shutter. That's a shutter speed dial. This one here is the rewind mechanism, and that's the film advance lever. Look at the size of that viewfinder. It's pretty sizable. It reminds me of the Nikons actually. And at the bottom you can see that this accepts the battery, so it's not fully manual. Most likely you need that to operate the light meter, but a lot of these cameras you could still operate it without those batteries. So let's see if this works, guys. Okay, that's cocked. I don't know why it's cocked. Is it broken? Because it's not firing. And oh, that's because it wasn't advanced. I was just being too cautious here. And it does work. So the really nice thing about this camera is that it also has the mirror lockup feature. You use this little dial here. You sort of have to push it in. It has a tiny little give. You push it in, and then you can flip the mirror up. And to reverse it, to put the mirror back down, you can't just like turn it because it's locked. You have to press it down, and then it allows the mirror to come down. And the advantage of using that feature is that it allows you to be able to not have the shake, especially when you're shooting in dimly lit situations, when you have to expose your film for longer, say less than 1/15 of a second, which means considerably longer. Every little shake of the mirror when you fire the shutter will vibrate the camera a tiny bit and cause some blur. But when you do use the mirror lockup feature, after you focus your image, after you compose your image, you flip it up, and then when you shoot like this, the shutter opens, but the mirror doesn't flip up, so there's less shake in the camera, and so you get sharper images. Brilliant, right? It has a self-timer mechanism, but if you've watched my videos, you know that I don't try these out because I'm always terrified of them. They have a tendency to break, and sometimes they'll lock up your whole firing mechanism and basically break your camera. So I don't use them. Now that's interesting. Oh, look at that. Not sure what it's doing. It's flipping between displays. I'm not sure what that feature is, but I will find out, guys. I will find out, and I will share that in another video. But for now, thanks for joining me on this unboxing of this beautiful Minolta SR-7 camera. Those are some of the features that I can talk about at this stage, but I'll do a full review and I'll share that experience with you guys. Thanks so much, guys.